Hello students, today we are going to study about Science Class 7 Chapter 2 Nutrition in Animals Part 4. Topics to be covered: ruminants, process of rumination and digestion in ruminants. Student, you might have observed that animals such as cows, buffaloes and goats chew continuously. Actually, these animals bite off their food, chew it a little and quickly swallow it. Later, they bring the swallowed food from the stomach back into the mouth and chew it a second. This process is called rumination. And these animals are called ruminants. So, curd chewing animals are called ruminants. Now, the question arises, what is curd? The partially digested food is called curd. Now, digestion in ruminants. This is digestive system of a cow. In ruminants, food is ingested through the mouth. Most ruminants have no incisors on their upper jaw. Instead, they have a thick, hard skin called dental pad. These animals have large molars. Grass is chewed and broken down into smaller pieces. The chewed grass mixes with the saliva and is swallowed by the tongue. The broken grass then enters the food pipe or esophagus, which leads to the stomach. Most ruminants have a special stomach with 4 chambers: rumen, reticulum, omasum and abomasum. The swallowed food first goes into the rumen. Which is the largest chamber of the stomach. Ruminating animals keep eating till the rumen is full. Ruminants mainly eat grass and leaves, which are rich in cellulose. Cellulose is a complex carbohydrate. Many animals, including human beings, cannot digest cellulose because they don't have cellulose digesting bacteria. So, plant-eating animals or ruminants have certain bacteria that can digest cellulose, and human being cannot have these bacteria, cellulose digesting bacteria, so they can't digest cellulose. Cellulose present in the grass is broken down into the simple sugar by the action of bacteria present in the rumen. From the rumen, the partially digested food goes into the reticulum. Here, food is further softened. The partially digested food is called the curd. So, what is curd? The partially digested food is called the curd. The reticulum helps in moving the curd back to the mouth. The animal then chewed the curd. The thoroughly chewed food now entered the omasum. Here, excess water present in the food is absorbed. The food then entered the 4th chambered abomasum. Here the food mixes with the digestive juices secreted by the wall of abomasum. Then the digested food passes into the small intestine, where further digestion takes place. The digestive juices from the liver and pancreas are released here. The simple nutrients formed by the digestion are absorbed in small intestine. The absorbed nutrients further digestion take place. The digestive juices from the liver and pancreas are released here. The simple nutrients formed by the digestion are absorbed here. The absorbed nutrients are transferred to various organs through blood where they are used to synthesize useful product. The digested food then entered the large intestine where water is absorbed. The undigested food is finally excreted out of the body through the anus. The pathway of digestion process in ruminants. First, ruminant take food into their mouth. Then it passes through the esophagus, then rumen, then reticulum. From the reticulum again to the mouth, and after chewing it goes to omasum, then abomasum, then small intestine, then large intestine, and finally undigested food excrete from the anus.